Welcome back. More than 120 workers of IFB Industries Limited held a dharna at Shrama Shakti Bhavan in Panji for the failure of Labour Department to resolve the long-pending dispute of these workmen pertaining to illegal termination of their services.
The workmen of IFB are affiliated to Goa Trade and Commercial Workers Union. General Secretary of ITUC, Christopher Fonseca, said that the workers should get justice.
They should be employed, and all efforts should be made to see that the management does not go scot-free, that justice is done, intervention is done. Yes. And we suggest that quick decision be taken. So after waiting for more than 4.5 months, workers have decided to come for the first time to the office of the Labour Commissioner and to apprise you, not only to apprise you, to kind of insist that their problem be resolved.
It appears that after knowing the fact that the workmen have joined Workers' Union, the management did not allow them to report for their normal duties.
आम्ही जवळजवळ आता 5 महिने झाले आहा बाहेर बसलेले आहा भुरगे आणि आमचे भितर जी मेजॉरिटी आहा ती चडशी वयली भुरग्यांचे आहा त्यांचे रूम्स प्रॉब्लम्स मागीर तांकां जेवणाचे प्रॉब्लम्स आनी मागीर रावपाचे हे ते भरपूर प्रॉब्लम्स जाल्ले आहा आमकां 5-6 म्हयने म्हटल्यार अशें भायर काडप म्हटल्यार फकाणां कामां ना.
The workers demanded that their rights should be given back to them.
जे आमकां बेनिफीट कंपनीच्यान मेळत थ्रू गव्हर्मेंट आहा ते रूल्स आमकां मेळचे आनी आमकां बेगीन कन्फर्मेशन मेळोन आमी भितर कामां लागची इतलेच आमचे डिमांड आसा आनी कांय व्हडलें कांय ना. आनी जे आमकां जे बेनिफीट मेळना 2003च्यान 2008 पर्यंत जे कितें मेळना तेमकां सगळें तेंचें भरून दिवचें पडटलें.
Labour Commissioner VBN Raigar, clarifying his point, said,
Management requested only for 10 days time and we have fixed the time and meeting tomorrow.
A reporter in Panji, Yashwant Parab.
Security was tightened in the state as Goa witnessed terror threat during Christmas and New Year celebrations. Metal detectors were installed at all public places. On Margao railway station, though the metal detectors are installed but are not in working condition. Have a look.
Metal detectors at Margao railway station are as same as that of showpieces. They are not in use but are still installed at the railway station. Police were also seen busy in their own chats. So where's the security? Or is it just an eyewash created to make Goan feel safe and secured? Our reporter from Margao, Samir Bhatt.
Now your computer is no longer personal. Reason? You watching porno sites on a computer can send you to jail. Not just that, your overexcitement in watching pornography can cost you as much as 10 lakh rupees. Here's a report.
Pornography surfing on the net can send you for 5 years imprisonment. Not only that, along with the imprisonment, a fine of rupees up to 10 lakhs will also be imposed for indulging into the crime. The Information Technology Amendment Bill, which was passed by Parliament this week without any debate with 45 amendments in the original Act threat, both of seller of pornography and recipients will be punished. The worst can strike when an inspector can raid and arrest you without any warrant when caught surfing the site. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.